Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Here we have a very beautiful Pavoni Euro Piccola. This unit just needed the standard tune-up, replacing gaskets, lubing everything up. But the customer did want us to add a pressure gauge, so this is actually new. You used to just have the screw at the top of the sight glass, but now we have a pressure gauge so you can know when your machine is ready. And yeah, she's working like a charm, so let's pull a shot. Pull the lever up to fill the groove head with water, and then let's pull down to apply pressure and push that water through, and there you have it. Pavonis usually give you about a 1 ounce shot. This is a 2 ounce glass, so by the end of this pull, it should be halfway full. And as you can see, there's really good crema. Really good color, and Pavonis are just very simple, very straightforward, and give you exactly what you asked for, which is a nice, perfect, strong shot. And let's cut the steam on for a second. And there you have it. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this every day. Thanks.